My name is Dr. Fuad. I'm currently as the head of the department of the accounting program, actually since a month ago, since February 2016. We as the lecturers and the students share the same objectives and share the same goals, which is to increase the quality of the academic and non-academic process. And in order to do that, we have to treat the students as the partners. So therefore, we can communicate in the formal and informal environment as well.
My name is Ahmad Shakir Kurnia, and I have been teaching here in the Department of Economics and Development Studies, the Faculty of Economics and Business Diponegoro Universities, more than 15 years, as I've been teaching here since 1998. I'm teaching here in many areas, including monetary economics, econometrics, as well as microeconomics. And I enjoy teaching here because I enjoy having interaction with colleagues here, and I enjoy having interaction with students here, because the faculty brings us in a very good atmosphere, so that we can develop, we can go further together.